Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this beautiful spaghetti recipe. This is something you can make for children. This is also good for lunch, for breakfast, honestly for brunch. This goes round the clock, trust me. Make it for your children and they will really love it. This is children friendly. They can go to school with this, they can eat at home. If you want to know how I made this deliciousness, stay to the end of this video. I have a lot of it on this channel, but today we're going to be eating with vegetables. I'm going to put in my spaghetti here. The water is boiled. This is the spaghetti I'm using. I'm going to throw it in. Throw it in, allow it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes and just set it aside. If you like to break your spaghetti, go ahead and break. I don't like to break. If you're thinking of easy recipes to make for your children, especially for school, go ahead. This is a very quick and easy recipe you will love to try. Add some salt, add some oil. This is so it doesn't stick together, okay? I'm going to go in with some. Add extra water if you need to add extra water. Once it is cooked, set it aside. Run cold water through it. My stew, I just added some. I have a video coming up very soon on how to make your stew, especially for jollof rice, for your spaghetti, for your porridge. All you need here is your tatashe, which is your red bell peppers, your fresh peppers, your tomatoes, onion, garlic, ginger, and all the herbs if you eat herbs. I'm going to add my spaghetti. If you don't eat herbs, that's fine, but if you eat herbs, it's always advisable to have herbs in your food. Add your spaghetti in, mix until it is well stewed, and here you go. Add your spaghetti in and mix. You can also enjoy this delicacy with cucumber, carrot, celery, broccoli, and all the beautiful vegetables of your choice. It smells good. You can either eat vegetable by the side or you can just pour it in, mix it all together. You can chop in some chicken if you want. You can even use fish for this recipe depending on what you want. You can even use crayfish, guys. You can choose to go about it in any way. You can just stew it and eat it that way. Whatever you want to do with this spaghetti, go ahead. It's a beautiful recipe. It's a beautiful meal for children also. With what the economy is saying everywhere, it's a pocket-friendly meal. You can use this stew for. If you have been following me on this platform, you will know I like to prep food a lot. Just get myself ready for the week, for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks. So I like to make my stew in bulk. I like to prep my meat, my fish, and just get everything ready so that way cooking will be very easy. So this is a good idea. You can go ahead and do this. What would you like to eat this with? So juicy. I'm going to cover it up and allow it to cook for like 5 minutes. This is our delicious spaghetti. Yeah, we're going to be eating with some vegetables. This is how I'm going to be enjoying it. Everybody in the house is eating it this way. Yeah, this is what you can do for lunch, for your family. They will love it. Come and eat, guys. Guys, see your girl. This is me sitting down since... What time did I wake up today? I woke up like 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Did one or two things, sat down, pondered, prayed, talked to the Father about certain things, and yeah, started cooking, prepping meals. I'll show you videos of all the things I was prepping. That's how my life is. That's my life routine. That's part of my life routine. So now I'm just going to eat and relax and chillax. I'm going to eat and chillax. If there's anything like chillax. Oh Lord, social media will not spoil a lot of us. So guys, be careful what you pick up from the social media streets. Be very careful what you pick up. Don't pick up what is not yours. Truthfully speaking, make sure, because you're on the streets, do not destroy the personality of Christ in your life if you're a born again Christian. Remember who you are and stay glued to Jesus. That is the only way, the truth, and the life. And that's the best place to be. Be careful. Don't pay attention to the ugly things you see on the street of social media. Otherwise, it's going to mess you up. Okay? Let me show you my food. Let me show you what I'm going to enjoy now. Let me show you what I'm about to enjoy. Come and eat. Yeah. Guys, isn't this delicious? Ooh, this is sumptuous. Look at that. This is sumptuous, guys. Very delicious. Yum, yum, yum. It's so juicy. It's so fluffy. Try this. You will love it. This is children friendly also. They can take this for lunch, they can take it for breakfast, they can take it for dinner. They can also take it for brunch. It goes round the clock, trust me. It's well stewed. If you have watched till this point, I want to say a very huge thank you. May God bless you for coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much. I cannot thank you guys enough. Please stay blessed as always. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God love the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video. Bye bye. See you soon.